Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best drain pipe is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components of your plumbing system. A high-quality drain pipe ensures efficient wastewater removal, prevents clogs and backups, protects against leaks and damage, and contributes to a longer lifespan for your entire plumbing infrastructure. Choosing the right drain pipe can save you from costly repairs and ensure the smooth functioning of your home or business for years to come. So let's dive in and explore what makes a drain pipe truly the best. Number 5. NDS 11 4-round Grate cover. This innovative drain cover is designed to protect your drainage system from clogs. It efficiently handles excess water while keeping debris out. Say goodbye to clogged drains. It effectively prevents leaves and debris from entering your pipes, ensuring smooth water flow. It's perfect for small lawns, landscaping, walkways, and patios. Its adaptability makes it a great solution for various outdoor spaces. It's designed to fit 4-inch sewer and drain pipes, single-wall corrugated pipes, and triple-wall pipes for a secure connection. Simply place it on top of your drain pipe for a tight, secure fit. It's available in a variety of colors to match your needs. With a 12 GPM flow rate and a strong, heel-proof design, it's safe for pedestrian, bicycle, and wheelchair traffic. It also meets ADA compliance standards. What we like. It efficiently prevents leaves and debris from clogging your drainage system. If you have a small lawn or patio needing reliable drainage, this is perfect for you. Its compatibility with 4-inch pipes makes installation a breeze. What people say. Looks strong and durable. Fits great. Fit perfect on a 4-inch corrugated pipe. Does the job. My daughter's rain gutters feed into an underground 4-inch drain pipe that empties into a gully. Old cover disappeared and this new one fits tight in the 4-inch pipe. Product is well made and will keep any little creatures from making its home in water runoff pipe. Number 4. Plumb Pak 46WK coupling. This versatile coupling offers a simple solution for various plumbing needs. It's perfect for extending pipes and creating secure connections. It features a convenient slip joint connection, making installation quick and easy. No special tools are required for assembly. Available in 1 to 1 2-inch and 1 to 1 4-inch sizes, it adapts to different pipe diameters. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of plumbing systems. Heavy-duty washers are included to guarantee a watertight seal. Say goodbye to leaks and enjoy peace of mind. Made from durable white polypropylene, it's built to withstand years of use. It's also resistant to corrosion and other damage. It's ideal for joining tubes to wall or floor connections. It simplifies the process of completing traps or other installations. Everything you need is included, all nuts and washers are provided for a hassle-free installation. Just connect and you're done. What we like. This offers a secure and leak-free connection between pipes. If you are looking for a simple yet reliable solution to join tubes, this is your best bet. Its heavy-duty washers ensure a lasting, problem-free connection. What people say. I used it to attach a flexible P-trap to my drain. 1 2-inch PVC to 1 1/4 PVC drainage lines. Worked great. Works well reducing from 1 and 1/2 to 1 and 1/4. This adapter will connect 1 1/4 sink drain pipe to a 1 1/2-inch pipe, which is most common size. Number 3. Flexible P-trap for 1 to 1/2 drains. It's incredibly easy to install, no tools are needed. Just hand tighten the flanges for a secure, leak-free fit in minutes. This flexible P-trap expands from 10 to 24 inches, adapting to various sink setups. It also includes adapters for smaller connections. It's designed for standard 1 1/2-inch sink drains. Please double-check your drain measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Made from strong polypropylene, it resists high temperatures and daily wear. The non-stick interior prevents odor buildup. Cleaning is a breeze. It's easy to remove for cleaning or unclogging. Its flexible design allows for easy flushing. We're a US-based company with over a decade of experience. Our customer service team is here to help with any questions or issues. What we like. Installation is quick and easy, no tools required. If you need a flexible and adaptable P-trap for your kitchen or bathroom sink, this is the one. Its adjustable length makes it compatible with various sink configurations. What people say. The pipe was delivered the next day and within 5 minutes I had a working sink. This is the easiest thing to use ever. I don't know if I would use it for anything other than a bathroom sink. It may not be robust enough to handle a kitchen sink. For my use, it is absolutely brilliant. Works great for my RV shower. My RV shower didn't have a P-trap, so it was letting septic fumes in through the drain. Easy to install. Works great. Number 2. Sink Drain Kit. Say goodbye to messy sink drains. This kit is designed for easy installation and fits virtually any sink. It's incredibly adaptable. Its flexible design makes it perfect for any space, no matter how tight. The smooth interior prevents clogs, keeping your sink flowing freely. No more frustrating backups. It's engineered for a perfect seal, preventing leaks and keeping your home dry. Enjoy peace of mind. This kit is compatible with various sink and wall drain pipe sizes, making it a truly universal solution. It adapts to 112 to 114-inch drains. Installation is a breeze. You'll have it up and running in minutes, saving you time and hassle. What we like. It's designed for a hassle-free installation process. If you're looking for a simple and reliable sink drain kit that prevents clogs, this is a great choice. Its smooth interior ensures efficient water flow and prevents clogs. What people say. This is all you will need to fix, repair, rework your bathroom sink plumbing. Sturdy, doesn't leak, has flex pipe included, clamps and washers provided, many other parts to connect if you have an awkward sink situation. Easy to install, worked like a charm. It's been holding strong for about a year now with no issues. The snappy trap fittings fit all my shop vac hoses, also regular vacuum hoses too. Snappy trap fittings are smooth on the inside and prevent wood dust sheetrock dust from clogging. Works great and saved me $1 on expensive quick connect shop vac fittings. Number 1. NDS 50 Drain Cover. It's the perfect solution for keeping your drains clear and flowing freely. This innovative cover prevents clogs while allowing water to pass through. Say goodbye to clogged drains. It effectively prevents leaves and debris from entering your drainage system. It's ideal for a variety of locations, from small lawns and patios to walkways and landscaped areas. It's perfect for light water flow. Simply place it on top of your drain pipe or fitting. Its secure design ensures a tight seal. With a high flow rate and a large open surface area, it's designed for pedestrian, bicycle, and wheelchair traffic. Plus, it's ADA compliant and heel-proof. It boasts a 28 GPM flow rate and a 9.1 square inch open surface area. This ensures efficient drainage and safety for all. What we like. This effectively protects your drainage system from debris. If you need a larger drain cover for your lawn or patio, this is ideal. Its high flow rate makes it suitable for areas with heavier water flow. What people say. This fit perfectly and is very similar to the one I had. This cap fit right on a gutter outlet pipe and replaced the broken one with ease. It was a WAD, works as designed. Good construction, color blended in with grass, easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.